From reckless miscalculations to outright disastrous tree felling attempts, this video is a wild ride through the world of people who should never be trusted with a chainsaw. Watch as trees come crashing down on cars, houses, and even the cutters themselves in a series of jaw-dropping fails and near misses. If you think cutting down a tree is simple, think again. Some of these individuals clearly skipped tree cutting 102, leading to pure chaos and unintended destruction. So sit back, enjoy the madness, and maybe learn what not to do. Pay fairly for the tree workers near your home because you never know what might happen after the tree falls. It's incredible how something so controlled can turn so unpredictable. Oh, it seems like the house and the tree stump were closer than he thought. They decided to go down together. Oh my, an unexpected twist. The tree had a backup plan. Round one, the tree wins. Well, that was a great plan, but the execution, not so much. With this level of precision, it seems he hasn't reached the level of a highly skilled expert yet. This is a prime example we'd like to show you. Afterward, consider hiring a professional team with the right equipment for the job. It is amazing how powerful these trees are when they fall. The challenges of taking down a massive dead maple are endless, yet this skilled logger turned every unexpected moment into a victory. What a headache it must be if the car owner didn't have full insurance coverage. The way the tree falls reminds me of a perfectly set up domino game. Everything depends on precision. Let go and run as fast as you can. That's what God whispered into his ear. My God. Oh my God. How many oh my gods do you think the audience will yell while watching this scene? Seems like they miscalculated the weight. Holy moly. That's definitely a lesson learned the hard way. That's right, that treehouse was definitely tied to beautiful memories. However, when it becomes too rotten, removing it is necessary for safety. Fortunately, no one was injured during the process.
Get out, get out, get out, get out!
Not everything goes according to plan. Sometimes you just have to accept it and fix it. Oh no. Moments like these show why safety equipment is crucial. This is why professionals should handle tree cutting. The ground shook, almost like an apocalyptic disaster. Thankfully, everyone had moved out of the house before they started the work. Calm handling in every situation, just like he knew what was going to happen next. Going against the crowd to stand out, that tree seemed to understand the same. Brittle and unpredictable. That's what emerald ash borers leave behind. Taking down an infested ash tree? Double-check your safety gear.
Yeah, barber chair.
Woohoo! He must think he's Superman or the Hulk, but in reality, this job requires caution and skill, not just strength. Continue with the series of the story of the ladder and the chainsaw.
She goes.
Very good. Always keep a safe distance as soon as the tree begins to fall. You can run, but your house doesn't have legs like you. Oh no, he lost the tug-of-war contest, and now the cost is repairing the damaged house.
They're gonna pay. They're gonna pay. Hey! Come down. Come down.
If you're bored and looking for an adventure, don't try this. It's far too dangerous. Looks like the tree made its choice, and it wasn't a good one for the car.
Mom, you flipped. Dude, I've never heard Mom scream that loud.
Oh shit, watch out.
This is why you step back and give the tree space, because even when you think you know what you're doing, nature has a way of slapping you in the face to teach you a lesson. Do you think that was a brilliant idea? What would happen if... Bravery or madness? Either way, it's a job I'll watch from a safe distance. For a true expert, cutting down a tree is like solving a math problem. Everything requires high precision. I've seen the wrong answer in this equation.
What?
Oh my God, the goddess of luck has smiled on him twice. Oh my, that makes me laugh so much. It's like two old men wrestling each other. Exactly. Moments like these really highlight why safety gear is so crucial. One small mistake or lack of proper protection can turn a job into a dangerous situation. Always prioritize safety. Anyone can chop wood, even women, but not everyone can become a professional logger. Cutting a tree near a house? Precision and safety first. A well-placed notch and back cut can make all the difference. Anyone know? Sometimes walking away is the best option. Rule number 2, drop the saw when things go wrong. It's moments like these that show why safety equipment is so important. Double kill. Unbelievable. There isn't enough money in the world to make me do that. Congratulations to the brave souls who can pull it off. Up to 40 feet is incredibly challenging. requiring a strong mindset and skilled balance to complete the task. A single wrong cut could result in serious consequences for yourself and everything below.
That bad boy's coming down.
I bet that branch will be used to replace the fence. Oh, that was dangerous. Was the final cut misaligned? Experience and good judgment helped him make the best choice for himself. This video is a perfect reminder to plan before cutting.
Watch out.
The weight of snow piling up on the branches caused them to snap, a reminder from Mother Nature, both beautiful and dangerous. Oh no, it was like a massive explosion. Nothing could stand in its way. Yikes. This is exactly why you call in a professional. No helmet, no safety gear, and he's tying off in all the wrong places. That chainsaw, probably a knockoff. This is a safe method to handle a large, dead tree instead of removing it with a chainsaw. It requires a professional team and a spacious area to ensure safety and avoid damage to surrounding structures. Did you see that? If you don't have full home insurance, be cautious when deciding to remove large trees nearby. That's what I call skill, timing, and precision to keep the tree off the fence. Double kill. One tree, two major targets taken down. It looked like a beautiful flower being plucked. A truly magnificent piece of work. Oh my goodness. Nature's power is absolutely untamed. Something about this felt off from the start. And, well, there it is. If today's video proved anything, it's that not everyone should be trusted with a chainsaw. From miscalculated angles to tree felling fails, that defied logic. We've seen some of the most chaotic disasters imaginable. While these clips are hilarious, they also serve as a reminder. Tree cutting isn't as easy as it looks. It takes skill, knowledge, and proper safety measures. One wrong move can lead to property damage, serious injury, or worse. So whether you're trimming a backyard tree or taking down a towering oak, make sure you know what you're doing, or better yet, leave it to the professionals. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share your favorite fail in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping moments. See you in the next one.